Celebrate Fairfax is a yearly event that draws thousands of people to the grounds of the Government Center. While the festival takes up much of the on-site parking, off-site options will be available. Next to the Fairfax Marriott, near the Mantech Corporation building, and on Fair Lake Circle, across the street from Kohl's and Whole Foods. Free shuttle buses will run continuous loops from these locations from 4:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. Friday night, Saturday 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 a.m., and Sunday from 9:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Fairfax Connector will run shuttle buses to and from the Vienna Metro every 30 minutes during fair hours. Celebrate Fairfax. Summer starts here. Stay informed and connected all summer long. Go to www.fairfaxcounty.gov/news/summer.